Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we'll be looking at the construction of a triangle given the base angle, and the length of a side. In the previous video, we looked at the construction of a triangle given the length of 3 sides. We encourage you to visit that video. At CAD with Mr. Hugh, we aim to become your favorite CAD resource online. We hope that you are doing splendid, and we thank you for spending time with us today. We'll be starting the video. We are looking at the definition of a triangle. A triangle is a polygon that has 3 sides. This term is a geometry definition. The triangle has 3 edges and 3 vertices. The internal angles of the triangle when added together is 180 degrees. The angle sum property of triangle is a name that is given to a triangle with respect to the sum of the angles. Welcome back to CAD with Mr. Yu. In today's video, we'll be constructing the triangle given the 2 sides and an included angle. So we're going to go to our draw tool and we're going to draw a line which is 90 millimeters long. So you would use your T-square and your ruler to draw that line if you're using the traditional instruments. All right, so I'm going to label this line for you so you can follow along, okay? So I'm going to turn off snap. This point, 4 millimeter height, rotational angle 0. This would be A for today's class. This would be B. What we need to do now is construct the angle which is right here, right? So we're going to need to construct the 60-degree angle. So we're going to go to the draw tab and we're going to go center start end. So I'm going to construct a 60-degree. If you visit the previous video on how to construct a 60-degree angle, you could do so if you need to do so. All right, the length of this arc, I'm going to make it 12 millimeters. I'm going to mark an arc just like that. I'm going to label this point. I'm going to shift center the drawing. I'm going to label this point 1. All right, just so that you can follow along. All right, so this point is 1. From 1, I'm going to mark an arc equal to the same radius that I used a while ago, which was 12 millimeters. So I go center, start, end. I'm going to need to turn off objects now. All right, so 12 millimeters. Where those 2 arcs intersect, that will be 2. You don't need to label it if you're doing an exam. I'm just labeling it so you can follow along, all right? So 4 millimeter height, rotational angle 0. This will be 2. All right. Where the 2 arcs intersect at the 60-degree angle, I'm going to draw a line going through the intersection at 2, right? So we go line. So you would use your, I'm going to turn on object snap. Would use your set square and your pencil if you're using the traditional instruments. Enter. Now I want to extend the line, right? I prefer to extend the line like this, okay? Enter. I could grab on it and extend it like this and pull it out, but I don't like to do it like that. I want to make sure that it is accurate. So extend. I want to extend it that side. See? Ah, good. There it is. Beautiful. All right. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to center the drawing for you. As I zoomed it up a while ago. I'm going to move it. Center it for you. All right. What we're going to do is delete this construction line. It's a part of the construction. All right. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw an arc AC from A, which is equal to the length of the line AC. So AC is 70 millimeters. So I'm going to draw an arc 70 millimeters with the center A to intersect that construction line that I drew at 60 degrees. So I go center, start, end. The 60. Good. where the arc intersect the line. So I can label this line for completeness. Right here would be gonna turn off objects now. Right here would be C. This would be C. All right, the next step is also draw a line from B to C. Turn on object snap a while ago. Enter. All right, now what I have to do, this line, I'm gonna draw a line, or I'm gonna break the line, this line, let me call it D for you. I'm gonna break this line D for you. This construction line is D. So I'm gonna break the line AD. All right, so if I click on it, this is one line. So I'm gonna go up here to the modify ribbon and I'm gonna go to break. So I click on the line, right? And then I click here to break the line. So when I click on the line, see, it's two lines now. So what I can do now, when I click on this line, that's one line AC instead of AD. I click on this line. When I put it on the layer which I made in the previous video of how to construct a triangle given the length of three sides, when I put it on the outline layer, it will now become dark. See that? So let me center the drawing because we're going to label it. So good job. We're going to label. So we're going to go to text, multi-line text. So you get your 3H, so get your H pencil to label now. The height is 4, so we're going to label to construct a triangle given the length of two sides and an included angle. So good job if you follow. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're going to put the dimensions on the drawing. So what I need to do, I need to move the label down so I can put the length of the base below. All right, so I'm gonna go to linear. I'm gonna measure from, I'm gonna turn on object snap. That's 90. All right, I need to move the A and the B. So I'm gonna click here, click this, enter, click this as the base angle and put it right there. All right. Then I need to label the base angle. So I'm gonna go angular. I'm gonna click this line. Here it is 60. So good job, we have completed the drawing, okay? What we're going to do now, we're going to insert the dimension for the side AC. So we're going to go aligned, A, select A, then we select C and pull this here, and we click there, and this is how we would put the dimensions for the side AC. And this would have completed our fabulous drawing for today. So good job if you followed along, and we're looking forward to seeing in the next video. We'll be constructing a triangle given the base and the two base angles. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of the triangle given the base, the side, and the included angle. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of a triangle given the base, the altitude, and the two base angles. We're really looking forward to seeing you in that video. And at CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite AutoCAD resource. online. See you then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.